If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice and invest at your own risk. Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. If you enjoy cryptocurrency related content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way the YouTube algorithm notifies you whenever I upload new content. So hit the subscribe button and let's get into the news today. BitSo XRP liquidity index breaks all-time high as XRP to MXN trading volume surpasses Bitcoin to MXN trading volume. This is key. We all know how dominant Bitcoin is. Whenever an altcoin outperforms Bitcoin, even in a small market, you have to look at it because this could show the signs of the future, of what the future could hold in regards to altcoins actually outperforming Bitcoin. Let's get in the article. On September 14th, XRP to MXN trading volume surpassed Bitcoin to MXN trading volume on BitSo, a Mexican cryptocurrency exchange. BitSo is one of the few exchanges that accepts fiat from financial institution and executes transactions via XRapid. The surge in trading volume was associated with this increase in XRapid volume on BitSo. XRP Research Center on Twitter announced this, quote, "The Mexico at BitSo liquidity index just broke previous all-time highs. Also, for the first time in years, the XRP to MXN trading volume reported to CMC surpassed Bitcoin to MXN trading volume. When XRP to MXN surpassed Bitcoin to MXN trading volume, XRP was more liquid at the time as compared to Bitcoin in the US-Mexico corridor." BitSo founder Daniel Fogel shared this news with the community. However, the XRP takeover was brief and was taken over by the large trading volume of Bitcoin at press time. Apart from trading volume, BitSo's liquidity index broke its previous all-time high. XRP finally broke out of its month-long bearish trap to rise about 3.82% within an hour and about 5% on the day. Okay, so this is key here, guys, because whenever you're trying to do analysis, fundamental analysis on a cryptocurrency, you want to look at the value proposition of that cryptocurrency. And one of the major value propositions of XRP is remittance services, trading value across country lines quickly, efficiently, and without much hassle. And there's a lot of other value propositions XRP has. I understand that. We could go into that in a whole nother video of everything XRP could do. But in this video, let's focus in on that. And what we're seeing is we're starting to see, especially with BitSo, with XRP to MXN, we're starting to see XRP to rise in the ranks of that trading volume. And that's good because remember, what is XRP trying to solve? One of the major problems they're trying to solve is remittance services. And because of that, we want to see XRP really rising when it comes to trading volume, when it comes to a foreign currency versus XRP, right? We want to see that trading pair to really rise over time as XRP adoption continues to go up, and we're starting to see that more and more. You could just look at it, follow me on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to me. I cover stuff like this all the time, a lot of great accounts on Twitter, and this is being covered every day, and we're seeing more and more adoption take place. And again, I know prices have been stagnant. I get it. I understand that. But you got to put prices aside, look at the actual analysis, look at what's actually happening, and not get sidetracked by, oh, the price is down. Who cares about the price right now? Amazon's price was really cheap for a long time, and look at it now. Sometimes you got to give things time to occur, to take place, and those who are patient usually end up very, very wealthy. Next up, we have the market state, a nice kickback in the markets, nice push up from where we were the other day with some bearish sentiment. We're starting to see some more bullish sentiment lately. Most of your top coins up 2-3% on the day. Bitcoin down is under 70% at 69.8%. XRP up about 3% on the day. Yeah, so markets have rebounded a bit. Really awesome. Really happy to see that and to, report on that. Hopefully this continues. If you want to see some more analysis on this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a like on the video. I will catch you guys next time. Keep on hodling and have a great day. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice, and invest at your own risk.